Hello, I'm going to present our work that consists of a basic implementation of an automated market maker. And for that, we make use of some smart contracts. In the context of Chia, smart contracts are called smart coins. And the smart coins do not perform any operation outside its context. Therefore, they are limited to the creation of new coins and the expanding of existing ones. Here we use three smart coins. The first is called XCH and is our main currency or the base currency. The other smart coin is USD. This is our second or cold currency. And as you may guess, they are used to store the amounts in these two currencies. They represent these amounts. These two currencies allows deposits, withdrawals, and conversion. The first two operations are obvious, and the third converts from one currency to the other by means of a deposit on one side, on one currency, and a withdrawal on the other side. The last smart coin we use we call it transaction, and it is used to transfer values from one currency to the other. This is necessary because Chia still does not support transaction between smart coins by means of a wallet. And given the context limitation I mentioned before, we need some driver code to help us. And we wrote this driver code in Python, and this code interacts with the Chia blockchain, allowing us to deploy the smart contracts and to perform the operations I mentioned. Besides that, we added a command line interface to facilitate this interaction and also the visualization of information coming from the blockchain. Now Lukas will show you how to deploy the smart contracts and how to operate with them.
Hi, my name is Lucas, and now I'm going to present the practical part of our project. So first we will deploy both the smart coins, and for this we use the deploy command from the program that we built. So we just type python main.py xnh deploy. This command will build the smart contract that was written in Chia Lisp, and from this it will extract the compiled code hash that we called puzzle hash. Then we will do a query process, which is nothing more than inserting parameters into the compiled code. And next we will save the smart coin puzzle hash and the puzzle review in a configuration file. And from the puzzle hash, we encode the smart coin address. From the address, we will send an amount of 0 modules to it in order to deploy it on the blockchain. Modules are the smallest amount of Chia, like Bitcoin Satoshis. And at the end of the process, we fetch the coin records from the blockchain using the calculated puzzle hash. So now our command just finished. In here it was compiling the code. In here it sends the transaction to the mempool and was waiting for the confirmation. And in here we get the result. We fetch the coin records of this coin, and it brings to us the puzzle hash of the coin, the amount, and some other informations. Okay. So now we have an XNH smart coin deployed, and we will deploy the USD smart coin. For this, we just type python main.py USD deploy, the process will be identical. So it's completion and just waiting for the block confirmation. It usually takes less than a minute. So just wait. Okay, now we have the coin information of the USD smart coin, the puzzle hash, the amount of 0 modules, and that's it. Now we have the two of the smart coins deployed, and we want to transfer coins to that smart coins. To do that, it was necessary to create another special smart coin that we call transaction, and we will deploy it with an initial amount of 1,000 modules. Let's do it. Transaction deploy. In here we chose an option called amount, and we say 1,000 modules, and we deploy. Again, the process will be identical of the previous one. Okay, in here you can see that we deployed a coin with an amount of 1,000 modules, and now we are going to deposit these 1,000 modules into the XNH smart coin. To do that, we just type python main.py XNH deposit, and we set the amount to 1,000. This command will search for our transaction smart coins that has at least 1,000 modules. We just deployed one with this value, so it's the only one. Let's run it. Okay, we just got a success message. Now we want to see the information of the XNH smart coin, so we can use this command XNH show. It will fetch the coin records of the XNH smart coin. Okay, now we can see that we have two coin records. In Chia, each operation on a smart coin causes it to be marked as spent and therefore unusable. So to keep it functional, the smart coin needs to recreate itself, generating a new coin with new value and using the same puzzle hash. So when we spent the first coin, it recreates itself with the new amount that was 1,000 modules. So now we have it here. We can see that the first one is marked as spent and the new one it's unspent. Okay, now we will do this same process to the USD smart coin. For that we have to deploy a new transaction smart coin with another amount. So transaction transaction deploy with another 1000 modules. Let's wait to the transaction be confirmed. Okay, here we have another transaction coin with 1000 modules. Let's deposit these modules to the USD coin. The process of deposit will burn the entire value of the transaction coin, so it will not recreate itself, it will just disappear, and the amount will be transferred to the USD coin. So we can type the same command that we used previously. So USD deposit amount of 1000. Okay, success. And Python USD show. Okay, now and here you can see that we had a coin of 0 amount, and now we have a coin of 1000 modules. Okay, and now we will convert 500 modules from XNH smart coin to the USD smart coin, and to do that we will use this command XNH convert. You convert to the other pair, the other currency of the pair, that is the USD, and we choose the amount of 500. Let's wait. Okay, success. And now we can see the information of this coin. Just type in this command show. Now you can see that we had a coin with 1000 modules, and now it is spent, and now we have a new coin with amount of 500 modules that is unspent. And finally we will first we will see the USD information just to confirm. Okay, we had a coin with 1000 modules, and now it is spent, and now we have a new coin with 1500 modules. That's okay. So finally we will withdraw 1000 modules from the USD smart coin, and to do this, USD withdraw with amount of 1000 modules. Okay, let's see what we got. USD show. Okay, we had a coin with 1500 modules, and then we realized an withdrawal operation of 1000 modules, and now we have 500 modules. That's correct. So that's it. Thanks.